Rais William Ruto rwarĩrũkĩire na atongoreria Kenya kiri Maromba Ja Kinthiguru mukawe-inĩ yumu muciĩ munene yo Nairobi. Akĩra Rais William Ruto nĩerĩte Kenya gũtirĩ ĩtũmĩke kumaka na tũkenyere antu nĩaya akĩana wĩra nebo ithurano bia umwana weru mwaka twĩtĩte yo 2027. Nelly Kithinji na riboti.
May our sacrifice and our worship come to you as a sweet smelling offering, O God.
Nĩrũkĩrĩrwo narwo kiri Maromba Ja Kinthiguru.
It is not the attire that we wear. It is communication with God.
And we gather here to pray. And we gather here without our titles.
Nĩ mamburaza gũkari na atongoria bakarĩrĩte itebine na inene thirikari-inĩ bakĩinyeria bataya Maromba kiri mugongo ja Kenya. Rais Ruto akĩrũnga marĩ mũstari jwa mbere najokerie kanya gaka kwarĩria makarika jetete na mbere kagitene kanande akĩambĩria na mĩario ĩthĩrĩtwo ĩrĩa ũkonie kĩthurano gĩa 2027 akĩinyeria gĩkethĩrwo kĩrĩ kĩa werũ nama.
Between now and the next elections, we will drive the transformation of this country. And we are going to have elections. And they will be peaceful. And there will be no violence. And they will be free and fair.
Akiuga yu yonde ni mibango ya kaimba na kwĩra aregani bawe batiomba na kureta mpadho Kinthigurune.
Ile Mungu ameamua ndio itafanyika. Yes. Those who believe they will divide this country, they will not. They will not succeed. They will fail. And fail spectacularly. They will not. Yeah. So, tulizeni maboli, hakuna problem. Hii nchi iko sawa. Tasonga mbele. Kenya itafaulu.
Nacokerete rwaria rwagwitie kwa magori ja maguta akiuga nĩ baciũmĩtie gũcua ntaira ya kagita ga karaja.
And even the crisis on fuel, we not only have a short-term plan, but we have a long-term one as well.
Nkoroki agĩkanũkia baria bakuga atongoria baruterera ũgendi nĩ bakunyerwe ganto mobuko.
I did not tell them to call off the strike. They looked at the facts. I know many people say they were influenced this way and that way. Maybe they were by facts of what the situation is.
Na nkoroki gwitunyokia na mpumisha gentuko cia nyomba cia nteto.
And I have no doubt in my mind that it doesn't matter how many headlines are written that Kenya is going in the wrong direction. This country will never go in the wrong direction. This nation will never go in the wrong direction. The commitments I made to the people of this nation were not for purposes of winning the election. They were for purposes of transforming our nation.
Nawe Oburu Odinga akiromba modho kweberwa siasene.
Because if we don't reconcile, if we don't take political competition as a brotherly exercise enshrined in our own constitution, we just compete as brothers and sisters. We are not enemies.
Kanyene Kawero TV, Mbita Nelly wa Kithinji.